Welcome! Welcome to the party! Sit down, sit down.
Sure.
Can I get you anything? A drink? Something stronger, huh?
I'm cool, bro.
You know how to play the drums? We need a fucking drummer.
I ain't your man, bro. Sorry.
You Spanish have the rhythm. Give us a fucking beat, man. You don't drum, but you dance, don't you, Luis? You dance.
I can dance, man, but not with you and him.
That's a shame.
You dance, Mr. B?
Money doesn't dance. The money doesn't dance, my friend.
Okay, but you need some work done.
Wait. Listen. Ooh. This is it. This is it.
Hey, can you ask the ape to stop playing for a second?
You want I should stick $50,000 guitar up your ass?
No, but I got some friends I can introduce you to if that's how you get your kicks.
Oh, funny guy.
All right. All right. Okay. You have heard about Liberty City. Rampage. The owner still will not accept my offers. I have been more than reasonable.
You mean after you killed this special team of cops? It's weird. You want me to negotiate with him?
No. The time for negotiations over. Do what needs to be done in his boardroom. Send a message.
Hey, I ain't a hitman, bro. I mean, I'll fight anyone, do whatever. But I ain't a contract killer.
The offices are in the Me TV buildings. Getting in will not be easy.
You'll have to find someone else, man. I mean, it's not my thing. I ain't qualified for that shit.
I'm sorry. I wasn't discussing your career development. I was telling you what to do. Now, fuck off and go. Поехали.
Wait for me! We go to Heliport in Fish Market South.
Hey there!
Hey, I'm sorry to break up your party, man. You look like you were having fun.
Mr. Ray wanted me to keep watch on you. Make sure you do what told.
Hey, I don't need no watching.
Mr. Ray think you do.
Shit.
You think I won't be here?
Whatever.
Okay.
So?
So fucking what?
So, what's up, bro?
Fuck off.
Chill, man. I'm just trying to converse with you. My job is hospitality.
Your job is kill Marky Ashvili for Ray Bulgarin.
Dreamer, bro. I like to think I can talk to people. I try to put them at ease. Make them open up.
Sure. They open up when you shoot in their head. You put people in the ground, my friend. You killer like me. That's what Bulgarin want you to do. So that's what you do. Hospitality is for weaklings.
You're hard work, bro.
Fuck you! You are hard work. Don't even know what you are.
Hey, I know who I am. Sure, I do bad shit, but that ain't who I'm gonna be forever.
I've heard this before.
Fuck off.
You want me to shut up? Good.
Good. Great. Total fucking silence from here on in. You need some people skills, bro. You're sorely lacking right now. You're a fucking terrible conversationalist, T.
Here is Chopper. Drive! We must go up high above Star Junction. I
better bring us up over the Humboldt. Otherwise, we ain't gonna get the altitude.
Here is a headset. I will tell you what you must be doing with it when you're inside.
Just what I always wanted. A hotline to a fucking charmer. Can you tell me what the plan is?
Asheville office is in Neat TV building. You no going to get in from ground, so you come in from above.
Out the chopper? Great.
He's not so tough. I would too, but there is chance Asheville's people come for my family back in old place.
And you ain't worried about my family?
No,
Tell me why we can't just land on the building.
you think they would not notice chopper landing on building? You must go in silent.
Perfect.
When you get in building, I will give instructions through headset. Okay, you soon need jump. I will fly chopper.
Fuck this!
Pull the cord already. Say hello to Asheville for me.
Wish you could be here, asshole!
There is someone on roof. Find out what is up.
This shit die now!
We have him now.
I'm gonna shoot this bitch in the balls! Oye, I'm inside.
I need cover. Help me over here. How you doing there?
Having fun, bro! You should shoot!
You finished. You still alive?
No thanks to you, motherfucker!
Every direction there we are.
Son of a bitch, die! We have that stuff.
Dreamer, you there? What you doing?
I wait for you to kill this asshole.
How'd he get in here?
If you buy this thing, you're gonna have to get a new office.
Faggot, always thinking of interior decoration. Just get job done. You go
Yo, Kimmer, I think it's the Asheville. He must be stuck! I'm here for you, asshole!
You're in the son of a bitch, we have you now. He is mine. You are surrounded.
It was the little Latin girl. I thought she was of age. You look old for her age, okay? We all have our weaknesses. What is it? Did the Kremlin send you?
Dimmer, man, you there? Asheville's dead.
That's the guy who killed Asheville.
Here we go!
Mr. A will be pleased Asheville no more around.
Yeah, great. Tell him I'm not his fucking hitman, okay? That's not why I'm hanging with him.
I am sorry, Mr. Hospitality Man. You do what Mr. Ray says. That's it. I see you soon.
Stick your guitar up your fucking ass.